For one at for one at homework tasks we had from every session was to do our own Foley sound. So for what it sounds for a Foley test I did, I used a hairdryer to make it sound like an airplane sound effect like this. Another way that I used to make one of the other Foley sounds is I used my shower to make a rain sound effect, so much like this. But for some of the things I could have done better was either trying a variety of different objects in my house to make different sounds, but also I could have actually used either a Tascam with a shotgun mic attached to get a better sound than using my phone.